Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete a Game Pass on Roblox. Let's get started. Before we start, Roblox doesn't let you fully remove a Game Pass from the site, but you can delete it from your game or stop others from buying it. I'll show you exactly how. First, open your browser and go to the roblox.com. At the top, click Create. This will take you to your experience list, basically all the games you own. And after that, find the game where the Game Pass is located. Click the gear icon or three dots beside your game, then select Associated Items. And here you'll see all your passes. This is where your Game Pass is stored. Now Roblox won't give you a delete button, but you can disable it. Click your Game Pass, then click Sales on the left, then turn off the Item for Sale toggle. This hides it from buyers so no one can purchase it anymore. If you want it gone from your game entirely, simply remove the script or prompt that sells that Game Pass. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.